Hello, it's Anthony here from Greenfeet, and thanks for joining us today in lovely sunny County Laois. We're here today, it's something a little different for you today. We're with a customer existing for the last year and a half or so. We've done a lot on his lawn treatments as regards standard package. So we have his lawn, as you can see, nice green colour. We've all his weeds under control and his mosses under control. The one thing we struggled with from the start here, it's a no lawn, is elongated stems, and we've convinced Gary today that if we put an automower on his lawn, he's going to eradicate that problem. So we're going to install the automower today. Come back in maybe 3-4 weeks time, have a look at the lawn again, just to show you with the treatments and the Greenfeet program, combined with the automower, the type of lawn you can have. So the main problem with elongated stems, as you can see here behind me, you start to see a lot of brown bits coming into the lawn, and particularly in the mowing lines you can see all the brown. That's where you're mowing, you're exposing the elongated stem. When you're cutting down the grass, you're exposing that ugly look. So the idea of the automower here is to get cutting down way below them. The fact that it's cutting 360 different dimensions, it's getting a nice upright growth on the grass, and it's cutting out all those ugly stems and forming new leaf plants down below the stem. So we've just reached an island now on this installation. We have a couple of small ones done over the other side. So as we said before, in any installation we go in a clockwise motion around the lawn. So when we come on islands, such as the small ones over there, we go in and we go anti-clockwise around the island. The area that you don't want to mow, if it's beds, a pond or whatever, you don't want the mower going in there, you go the opposite, you go anti-clockwise around it, as we'll demonstrate to you now. Okay, so when we get back to the end of the circle of the island, the area that you don't want the mower to go in, we just stop here, just show you where our wire started to go around. So what we do is we just get this wire and we tuck it back in the same line where we went into our island. So we just put it down in the same line. So basically what you have the wire in and the wire out in the same line. So you have a positive and a negative. So it allows the mower to travel over this area, but at the same time, it won't go into the island area. So it acts the same as your boundary wire, where it won't cross the edge. So again, as always, we have two guides on this installation. We have one loop pulled over the far end of the lawn. The guides, as we mentioned before, is to get the mower back to the charging station as efficient as possible. So we're just popping in a little loop here, just so we can connect our guide back into the boundary. That's it, and on we go. So that's us with the boundary wire in. So now all we have to do is go and pull in the two guide wires, and then we just commission our mower, and away we go. So now that our wiring work is completed, we have our boundary wire in and our two guides. It's just a matter of connecting the wires to our charging station and commission our mower. So if you want to see our full installation of an automower, check out the link above. So thanks very much for watching, and thanks to Gary and his family for letting us film here today, interrupting their day. If you have any problems with elongated stems, moss, weed problems, bare lawns, make sure and call us on 1890 252 778 or check out greenfeet.ie.